In today's video, we will try to learn about payroll accounting system. For this, in this video, we will try to learn the basic things how to enable payroll accounting features in our company in Tally. So I created a company which is named Payroll Sample Limited. I want to activate payroll accounting in this company. For this, I will press F11. Then I will select the company Payroll Sample Limited. Then the features are showing here. Here I can see the payroll account, maintain payroll. Here it is making no. So I will made it yes by pressing Y. Then press enter. Enable payroll statutory, made it yes also. Then press Y. It's all are yes. Then press Ctrl A for save the screen. The screen is saved. Now come here, then go with create. You can see our payroll masters are created because I already create up. I activate this payroll, so I can see the payroll masters here. If I don't activate the payroll system, then I can see these payroll masters. Yes, I can see the accounting master, inventory master, statutory master, and statutory details, but not the payroll masters. So I will activate the payroll masters in this video. In our next video, I will try to learn about these payroll masters and how to create more payroll masters. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.